So, what is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the process of occurring chemical reaction at the electrodes by the passage of electric current through an electrolytic solution is called electrolysis. So, electrolysis, if you see the electrolysis of fused NaCl, sodium chloride. So in sodium chloride fused, that means it is in liquid form. So it is in liquid form. So only sodium plus ions and Cl minus ions were present. So if you take the, you can take you can take one beaker or something. So in that you fill with the fused NaCl solution. So it is a fused NaCl. So here it is fused NaCl. Fused NaCl, when you add it to the fused NaCl and to another, keep two electrodes which are one is cathode and one is anode. So here it is and you pass some electric current through this electrolyte. So electrolyte, you can pass some electricity. So here it is plus sign, here it is minus sign. So it is a plus sign and minus sign. So here flow of electrons in this direction and flow of the current in this direction. So I direction is in this direction, and this is the electrolyte. And here if you see two electrodes, one is cathode and one is anode. So if you take the NaCl fused solution, so NaCl is going to be break into Na plus and plus Cl minus. So Na plus and Cl minus. So if you see, this is the, if a plus sign is there, that is anode, and minus sign which is present, it is cathode. So plus is the anode here, and minus sign which is present, that is the cathode. Already we know that anode, that means loss of electrons or oxygen. So here anode oxidation will take place, addition of oxygen. We can take anode oxidation, and cathode reduction will take place. So if you see the reaction, half reaction at anode, what will happen? If you see signs here, so Na plus and Cl minus. So Na plus moves towards the cathode, and chloride minus moves towards the anode. So half reactions at anode, if you see, so which which ion is moved towards the anode means this is plus sign, so this is anode, this is minus sign, this is cathode. So which ion is moved towards the anode? That is the Cl minus ion. So here at anode, Cl minus ion is there. What is the meaning of Cl minus ion? We know 7 protons and 7 electrons, and 18 electrons are here. So it is excess of electrons. So if I lose these electrons, then I form the two, half Cl2 plus electron. This is, we call it as oxidation, half reaction. And if you say take the reduction half reaction at cathode, half reaction, if you see half reaction, that is which ion moves towards the cathode? Cathode means negative signed one. Negative sign means here more number of electrons will be there. So obviously sodium plus will move towards the cathode, and it gain electrons, and it will give the sodium metal. So sodium deposition will take place at the cathode. So the cell in which electrical energy converted into chemical energy is called electrolytic cell. So with this cell we call it as electrolytic cell. So in this cell, what we passed into the solution, that is electric current. So electric current we passed into the solution, then what is generated here? So here chemical reaction is occurred. So electric current is passed, then chemical reaction chemical reaction occurs. So chemical reaction occurs. So that means this is the